Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm back after a very long break. Due to some reasons I was unable to upload a video, but now I'm finally back and I'm so happy that we are now a family of 788 subscribers. So thank you so much for supporting me and subscribing this channel. It really means a lot to me and I promise I won't disappoint you and I won't disappear now. So some of you guys requested me to do a hair care routine video. My hair care routine is pretty simple. I don't use much products on my hair, but still if you want to know what that products are and which home remedies I use, then please keep on watching. And before moving further, please subscribe this channel, get this video a big thumbs up if you really find it helpful. And yeah, let's get started now. So I got smoothing treatment done last year and as you guys can see, the smoothing effect is almost gone now, but still I use the shampoo and conditioner which the salon recommended me at that time, and that is L'Oreal Extenso Care shampoo and the same L'Oreal Extenso Care mask. I really like these two. I think this works best for my hair. It makes my hair more manageable and soft. So yeah, I'm kind of stick to this one until I find a new one which works well for my hair. And I wash my hair once in 4 or 5 days because my hairs are very dry. And if you have dry hairs like me, then you should try to wash it as less as possible because washing your hair frequently strips off the natural oil it has and it will make your hair even more dry and rough, so avoid that. Also try to avoid heat as much as you can because it will damage your hair and make it even more rough. Whenever I wash my hair, I always make sure that I air dry my hair and I don't use blow dryers or straightener or other heating tools. I use them only if there is a special occasion, and that is also once in 4 or 5 months. And always wash your hair with cold water. It closes down the cuticles your hair has. It will make your hair shiny and frizzy. Now let's talk about oiling. So I always put oil in my hair one day prior shampooing and I keep it overnight. So in that way my scalp and my hair has enough time to absorb the good nutrients from it. And you should try to keep it for 1 to 2 hours at least if you cannot keep it overnight. It really helps to tame down the frizz and makes your hair healthy. I'm using this parachute hair oil and I think I'm using this since my childhood. I keep trying new oils if somebody recommends me or I see it on TV ad or something. But again I switch back to this one because I think this works best for my hair. Okay, now let's talk about home remedies. So there are different home remedies for different purposes, and as I told you, my hairs are really dry, so I like to use curd mask for my hair. It really makes my hair silky and smooth. So for that, I take 1 bowl of curd and squeeze 1 lemon into it and add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and put this mixture into my scalp for 1 hour and then wash my hair with shampoo because I don't like the sour smell it has. It really makes my hair silky, smooth and healthy looking in one wash itself. To be very honest, I don't use this remedy as often as I should because I don't get time. But whenever I get time, I put this mask on and the results are amazing. You should apply this mask or any other mask of your choice at least once in a week to get noticeable results. You have to be consistent if you want consistent results. And last but not the least, in order to have healthy hair, you need to have healthy body, which means eating right and taking in the right nutrients. So have a proper diet to have those beautiful and healthy hair. So that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please subscribe to this channel, get this video a big thumbs up and also share this video as much as you can. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.